Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're creating a super fun drawing, a happy pear chef holding a colorful salad bowl. Perfect for kids, beginners, and anyone who loves art. Grab your pencils, markers, or crayons, and let's get started. Start by drawing a big oval for the pear's body. Make it slightly wider at the bottom to capture that pear-like shape. Don't worry about making it perfect, every pear is unique. For the arms, draw two thin curved lines coming out from the sides. One hand will be holding a bowl, so let's leave space for that. Every chef needs a hat. Draw a cloud-like shape above the pear's head to create a fluffy chef's hat. Did you know? The chef's hat is called a toque blanche and represents culinary skills. Now let's give our pear some personality. Draw two big, oval eyes near the middle of the body. Add tiny circles inside for highlights to make the eyes pop. Then, draw a wide smile and a small curve for the nose. Draw small boots at the bottom for feet. For a fun touch, you can add rosy cheeks using light shading. Finally, let's add some details to bring our pear chef to life. Next, draw a big round bowl in one hand. Fill it with colorful veggies and fruits, use curved lines and shapes for lettuce, tomatoes, carrots, and more. You can make a colorful salad bowl of your choice. Alright, artists, we've reached the most exciting part of our drawing, the colors. Grab your coloring tools, crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's begin. Start by coloring the pear's body with a bright, cheerful yellow. Use smooth strokes to ensure even coloring. For the hands, you can stick with a light yellow to match the pear's body. The boots can be a rich brown to give a polished look, just like a professional chef. Use bright colors to make your salad look fresh and tasty, then, outline your sketch with a black marker and color it in. Great job, everyone! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and easy drawing tutorials. See you next time. Thank you for watching.